In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a concept map using Canva. Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional, concept maps are a great way to visualize relationships and organize ideas clearly. And the best part? You don't need any design experience to make one in Canva. Let's start by opening Canva. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type concept map. Hit enter and you'll see a wide range of templates designed specifically for creating concept maps. Templates are a great starting point because they give you a structured layout so you can focus on your content instead of worrying about the design. Take a look through the different styles. Some are simple and clean, others more colorful and creative. Pick the one that best suits your project or presentation. When you find one you like, click on it and then choose Customize this template. This will open the template in Canva's editor, where you can start personalizing it. You'll see placeholder text and shapes connected with lines or arrows. These represent different ideas or concepts. Click on any text box to change the text. Replace the sample words with your own main topic in the center, then fill in the connected boxes with related subtopics or supporting details. If you need more branches or connections, use the toolbar on the left. You can add new text boxes, shapes, or lines to expand your concept map. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to move things around, so don't be afraid to experiment with layout and structure. To make your concept map visually engaging, adjust the colors and font to match your style or brand. Click on a shape to change its color, or use the color palette at the top to pick custom shades. You can also switch fonts to make key ideas stand out, or use consistent text styles to keep it clean and readable. If you want to add icons or illustrations, click on elements in the sidebar and search for simple graphics that relate to your topic. Small visuals can help make the connections more memorable. Once you're happy with the overall design, take a moment to double check the alignment and spacing. A well-organized layout makes your concept map easier to understand. When everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Click share or download in the top right corner. Canva lets you export your concept map in different formats. PNG and JPG are great for digital use, while PDF works best if you plan to print it. And that's it. You've created a professional looking concept map in Canva. It's a simple but powerful way to organize information, brainstorm ideas, or present complex topics visually. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tips.